Good morning. It is 5:25. Hey, it's Tommy Two Scoops, and I've decided to do another vlog because today is an important day. It is a fascinating day. What are we doing today, Tommy? Where are we going?
Fishing.
Oh, after that.
Picnicking. At Eagle Falls.
That's it, yep, we're going on a picnic. But it's not just any old picnic, is it, Tommy?
No, it's a picnic without me.
Tommy's not going. But the special thing about this picnic is that we're going on a helicopter. The helicopter's going to land on top of the waterfall. It's going to be amazing. It's probably one of my favourite things to do up here in the Kimberley, which is why I decided to do a vlog. So yeah, right now we're just going to get the boat set up, get the cameras ready, make sure everything's charged up. I'm very excited, I'm not going to lie, I'm very excited. I've had a chat with the chopper pilot, and he said that I'm allowed to open up the door on the flight back and try out my Ronin in the helicopter for the first time, which is going to be awesome. So I reckon we're going to get some pretty amazing shots. And here we have Dave, our naturalist, Dave. Dave's coming to the picnic. Are you excited, Dave?
I'm so excited, Ollie.
And
I'm really, really excited. I'm just over the moon excited. Just the way we land on the top of the falls, and the way we just get all the people out, hobble them across the rocks, and sit down and finally grab a beer.
What's your favourite thing about the picnic, Dave?
Lunch.
Eagle Falls. This is called Eagle Falls because when the heli pilot, Rob, or it's actually another heli pilot, but one of the heli pilots discovered this place about 10 years ago, and they were flying around and they just saw this beautiful waterfall that we just landed on top of, and when they landed to check it out, there was a couple of eagles hanging around, so they named it Eagle Falls. Did you know that, Dave? There you go. Since we landed, we've been flat out setting up these shades. As you can see, man, we're in the Kimberley. What month is it? It's April, isn't it? So it's pretty hot, so you need shade, but you don't really. I mean, look at all this lovely water that we're going to go swimming in later on. It's one of my favourite places in the Kimberley, inaccessible by road. You could walk here, but I think it'd take you about a week, and you'd have to carry all of your own food. And yeah, let's just go and check out one of the three waterfalls that are here. Chop up some wood for the barbecue. Hey-ya! Here you go, Chef.
Thank you, darling.
Hey-ya! Oh.
That was done like a true Englishman.
Yeah! I don't think this is the right spot for the salads.
Well, no.
This one time, when we were at Eagle Falls, Han, do you remember this? When we forgot the salads? And the pilot
Remember that.
had to fly back to the boat to get the salads.
Just to get the salad.
Just to get the salads. So it cost about $800 in fuel to get salad. Where's the other salad?
Where's the other salad? Dun, dun, dun.
Where's the other salad?
That's
Hannah,
serious.
where's the other salad?
That's a serious question, Ollie. Where is the salad?
Georgia, where's the salad?
I don't know.
It was two salads.
Where's the salad? Maybe it's salad.
There's another
Why have
salad.
we only got one salad?
We're missing the asparagus salad.
Which one?
The asparagus salad.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Quick, everybody look for the
found
salad.
it.
What? What? What did you say?
I found the salad! Woo!
All right. So this is the beast that gets us up here. The EC130, the Eurocopter 130. Does 130 knots. It can fly to about 23,000 feet. We don't go that high, but I reckon we go pretty fast. So yeah, pretty amazing piece of machinery. So I reckon if I ever won the lottery, I would charter True North for a week and get all of my mates from the UK and over here and bring them up through the Kimberley and take them up here on the helicopter like we did today, but make it a compulsory heli camping expedition. So everyone would have to stay here overnight, fly back in the morning. Just be amazing. Imagine just hanging out here all night, building a fire, going swimming. Yeah, this is so cool. Sylvia's done a pretty good job. Got some nice mackerel by the looks of it, lamb chops, bit of salad. Yeah, that's one good thing about catching all these fish over the course of the 10 days. You get to eat all this really nice fresh fish. I love fresh fish, but they've run out of knife and fork, so I'm just doing it with my hands today. This is my favourite spot at Eagle Falls. I call this the Zen spot. It's just got this amazing view, and you just sit up here on your own or just with one other person, and you're in the shade and you just soak up the ambience. You can hear the waterfall off in the distance. There's also some Aboriginal rock art up on the wall just behind where the camera is, and yeah, I generally don't film the rock art, kind of just out of respect for the people that put it there, really. Some of it's up to 30,000 years old. I think this stuff's Bradshaw art, so it probably would be around that sort of age. And yeah, so obviously like, I'm not the first person to come and hang out in the Zen spot. Probably won't be the last either. That's it. We've packed it all up. Everything's ready to go, and we're going to get back on the helicopter in about 10 minutes and head back to the boat. I'm going to try and get Rob to kind of follow the water across both of the falls and then drop down the second one. Don't know how it's going to turn out. Might look crap, might look awesome, who knows.